On your yoga mat, lie flat on your back. Exhale and press the lower back on the yoga mat gently. Inhale and bend the right knee to lift the foot off the yoga mat. Exhale and create one straight line with the shoulders by stretching your arms out. Turn your palms so they face the mat. Inhale and lift up the foot a little higher than the knee and have the knee at an angle of 90 degrees above the hip. Exhale and lower your leg to the left of the yoga mat and gently hold the leg with your left hand. Knees should be at hip level. Heel should rest a foot away from the buttocks. Turn your head to the right slowly, keeping the shoulders on both sides engaged with the floor. And bring your knee over as far as you can. Breathe gently. To release the pose, release your gaze and return the head to center. Gently release your right knee and allow it to come back to center. Press both your hands around your knee. Exhale and lift your head and chest up to your thigh, as well as to pull the thigh to your chest. Hold this position for a few seconds and then exhaling, release the pose by lowering the shoulders and head to the yoga mat and extend the leg away from you to lower it to the floor. Repeat all the above on the opposite side.